Very good afternoon, very good evening to all. It's a hands-on experience on Matlab. I don't know how many of you have previously worked with this Matlab. And before I start the session, I would like to know that in which year you are studying, that is your background, which stream you belong, and which semester or year you are studying right now. I will just ask one or two students. I think everybody is coming from the same college. So Nikhil Teja, are you present? Then Monica Jagata, and nothing is visible. Gaurav Agolwal, anyone please respond. In which stream Velor Chandra? Please tell me, anyone? In which stream you are studying right now, and what is your level? Is which year you are studying? Because it will be helpful to me to teach you. If I know what is your standard or what is your background, then it's very much convenient. Are you getting me? Am I audible? Hello? 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 Am I audible? Please respond, anyone.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. Nikhil Teja, now tell me what is your stream?
Sir, I'm chemical engineering fourth year, sir. I'm took Matlab as internships.
You have okay, okay. Have you any previous idea about Matlab?
Yes, some basic idea I have, sir.
Okay. And I don't know nothing about the other student. Okay, I will start from the basic, very basic. The Matlab is a computational tool, and it is very easy to learn, and that makes it very much popular to the scientists or to the academicians for their computational work, because it is very much easy to implement your algorithm. May it be in the form of in the field of electronics or chemical, or for electrical or mechanical or economics, any background. It is very convenient to implement your algorithm in code form, and it can compute, and then it can represent the output in visual format. That is, you can find out the output in form of plots, two-dimensional plot or three-dimensional plot. There are different types of form of plots are there. You can have bar chart, pie chart, or you can get a three-dimensional form. Different type of plots are there. I will show you. So first of all, I will open the Matlab. This is a Matlab interface. And it has four windows. This is known as the workspace. You can find also a current directory where you are actually right now. You can find all the contents of this current directory. There is one command window where you can enter your command to get the output. Here is a editor. In this editor, you can open any script and write down your program. And this is the command history. Whatever command you will write down here, it will be kept here. I have worked with this command, and these are listed here. Okay. So I will start with very basic. That in Matlab, I am working it now in command window, and we will work with different types of data. And data here we will use two types. One is single data, another is vector data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the single data. And vector means it will be in matrix format. These are the vector data. For example, see here, A equal to 2. This is a single data, A equal to. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are vector data. Or A is equal to this, this, this. These are the vector data. We can work with these two types of data in Matlab. It is a matrix laboratory. That means whenever Matlab works, any computational job works on any computational job, then the computation will be in form of matrix format. That is, it is known as a matrix laboratory. And any types of laboratory work can be simulated here. That is why it is a matrix laboratory. And in short, it is known as Matlab. Matrix, trix is omitted, and laboratory, lab is taken. That is Matlab. Okay. Now, different type of mathematical operation. First, I will show you that it can perform. Say A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. And C is equal to A plus A plus B. Simple addition. Now, we can also perform the subtract A minus B minus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can multiply this 6. We can divide this is the division. So this is the operation with single data. We can also work with the vector data. Say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will multiply these two. Can I multiply? These are the matrix. What type of
No.
matrix is it? What type of matrix is it?
Row matrix.
Row matrix. And this one? This
Both are
also a
row
row
matrix.
matrix. Can I multiply A into B?
No.
No, because its column should be equal to the row, number of row will be equal to the column of B. These are not equal. Okay, but we can, if we find out that C is equal to B. Okay, now D is equal to A not B. Fine. Now it's okay, because here the number of column, number of row are equal. Then I can multiply 1 cross 1. The size of D is 1 into 1. Now, similarly, we can add D equal to A plus B. We can add here. A was equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can add simply 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 7, 10, and 4 plus 8, 12. So we can add these two. Similarly, we can subtract two matrices. Now D is equal to B minus A. Something 4 subtracted, and we have got all the differences 4. Okay. Now there are some other operations also. Suppose we are interested to multiply one elementary multiplication. That means 1 into 5, 2 into 6, 3 into 7, 4 into 8. This type of multiplication we are interested. So in that case, we can multiply A into B. That is, element-wise multiplication is possible, but actual matrix multiplication is not possible with A and B. Okay. So A is equal to here. B is equal to this one. E is equal to A from B, but there will be one dot. If we put one dot here, that means element-wise multiplication. 6 into 4, 8 into 4, 10 into 8, and 12 into 4. Okay, that means 24, 32, 40, and 48. Sorry, what am I? 5, 12, 10, 21, and 32. Okay. Similarly, we can divide element-wise. D equal to element-wise division. 1 by 5, 2 by 6, 3 by 7, and 4 by 8. So this is the number. Now we are interested to add these numbers. add these numbers. This one plus this one plus this one plus this one. So what will be the result? We can use this command, sum of d. Now, if we add these numbers, we will get this one. Add 0.2 plus 0.333 plus 0.4286 plus 0.5. And this result, same result. So you can use sum of d, we will get this one. Okay. So I will, another thing, what is the, how many numbers are there, how many elements is there, that you can also count using command. The command is, can anybody tell me what is the command? To find out the number of elements present in a vector D. Can anybody tell me? I'm asking you because I don't know, you are not interacting. So I am not sure how many of you have the idea of MATLAB. So I am asking you. I think some of you may know this one. Can anybody tell me what is the number of, what is the command to find out the number of element in D? You can answer in any language. Not necessarily you have to answer in English. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can also, I can understand Hindi. So you are not. So length of D, sorry, D. The length of D is equal to 1 because I have already calculated D equal to this one. That is why it is giving me length of D equal to 1. There is only one single. But if it was, if it was run after this command, just this command, it will give me 4. I'm showing you A. How many terms is there? 4. Okay. Length of A. So it will give me 4. Okay. So these are the different terms, different commands. Very few commands I have already explained right now. And now I will ask you to find out the average of 5 given numbers. So find out the number of average of these numbers. Now solve the problem. Find out the average of this one. Writing down using the commands. I have already explained. Five minutes. Okay, only 5 minutes. It will take. Now solve this one. After 5 minutes, I want to check your answer. Whatever whatever command you need to solve this one, I have already explained. And one thing, how many of you have Matlab installed in your machine? Hello, how many of you have Matlab installed in your machine? If you don't have Matlab installed in your machine, then you will not be able to solve this one. First of all, I should know whether you have installed PC anything. Okay, you have it. Then I think you can do this one. How many of you don't have Matlab right now? How many of you don't have? You have free mat, okay, in your lab, okay. You can do this one. And how many of you don't have it? Okay, you don't have. Anyone? Okay. Then there is one solution. Those who don't have the Matlab, they have one solution. You are attending your class from okay. Go to Google's. Go to Google's and type Matlab online. Go to Matlab online and register there. Start using Matlab online. Click there. And here you will get this page. Enter your email, create your account, and you will be given a online permission to use Matlab. Those who are attending by laptop and those who are attending from your mobile, they also have one solution. Go to Play Store, type Matlab. Matlab apps will be there. Install it. You can use this. Otherwise, without Matlab, you may not be able to follow the class. This is essential. Okay. Those who don't have it, this is your solution. Okay. And if anyone have solved this one, please show your work. Show the result. If anyone has solved it, please share your screen. share your screen and show me the result. Is there anyone who have solved the problem? I can't wait much because time is very short, only 1 hour. Hmm. Ah. Mean. Or you are attending using not average. Average equal to this one. Okay. You have started with A. Now find out. No. Not done. Mean I'm not using mean here. Use those commands that I have explained today. These are the inbuilt functions. I'm not using these inbuilt functions. Is there anyone? Or I will solve this one. A is equal to, consider it as a vector. A is equal to this one. Okay. Vector. Then sum A. Sum A. We can add these two. Then what is the length? Seven. So average is equal to sum of A divided by length. And 26.85. Okay. 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 I'm using this one. I have explained only this one. That is why I'm asking you to follow whatever I have learned today. Use this one because I want to know whether you are following the class or not, whether you are getting or not. Okay. So these are the. Is there any problem? Everybody got it? Okay. So these are the general idea about the computational facility of Matlab. Some other thing is that A here is a vector. We may have the visual presentation of A also using by using plot, we can also get the idea about the visual effect of this plot, how it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, I will show you later. Now, was started with designed by Cliff Moller and developed by Mathworks in 1970, and different versions are also released from 1970, and presently this is the current version available. I don't know whether any new version is released in market or not. Now, one thing I will explain again here, that A here is a variable. B I am working with is also a variable. So only using this alphabet, how many variable we can create? 1 to 26, or using any combination of variable, we can also increase the number of variables. But variables will be much more. Variables will be much more. So we need to use the numbers and the characters, that is underscore, etc. Some characters we can also use to construct one variable name. But there is some rule to be followed. That is, A is a variable, okay, A is 1, A is a variable, okay. A1 is a variable, okay. A underscore 1 is also a variable, okay. Similarly, in place of A, we can write A to Z any number, any alphabet. In place of 1, we can write down infinite numbers to denote infinite numbers of variables. No problem. There are different characters we can use, but some characters, there are some restrictions. We cannot use all the characters. Some characters are reserved for some special purpose. That I will explain. Which character you cannot use? That is underscore, that is percentage, or prime, or dot. This type of, or ampersand sign. This type of some characters are there that we cannot use to construct variable. And another rule is that A underscore 1 is valid. Similarly, 1 underscore A, is it valid? Will it work? Enter in your mobile or laptop platform and test whether is it valid or not. Enter in your command window. Those who have the laptop or Matlab, and test whether 1 underscore A is valid or not.
Invalid, sir.
Invalid.
Invalid.
So what conclusion? Then 2. If we place a 2 or 100, it will work.
Invalid.
Invalid. So what lesson we can get from here? The lesson is that no variable to start with number. Variable must start with some alphabet. Okay. It can be declared according to the requirement of any program. Suppose we are developing one code that is related to any, say, we are making some statistical analysis for the cricketers' performance. So we have to calculate the runs or wickets. So if we declare A to denote the run, B to denote the number of wickets, so it will be difficult to follow in future. So many parameters will be there. And this variable do not have any meaningful form to identify the actual parameters we want to mean. So in that case, we can construct a variable that will be meaningful to the parameters. Say it can be run. Run is a variable. Run will be a variable. Run is a variable that how much run we have if a certain batsman scored, run equal to 1. Ball here. Ball. How many ball we played? Only 2 balls. How many wicket? We have taken 5 wickets. 5 wickets. Okay. So in this way, we can construct one variable that will be meaningful for a particular program. And in future, whenever we will go through your program, you can understand clearly what your program actually means. Okay. So we have to follow the rules. If you one underscore wicket, it will not be valid. It is wrong. But if you wicket taken by the first batsman for first innings, wicket 1 in first innings. In second innings, you have taken 5 wickets. Okay. So in this way, you can declare a variable. So this is very much important for a programmer. Okay. Now, see here another thing. A equal to 2. It is giving us the value. But if we place a semicolon, enter, it is not giving us the actual value. It is not there. But A is already assigned by 2, but it is not showing here. So whenever you are writing down program, if you use semicolon at the end of your sentence or end of your expression, end of the line, then code will be executed. Everything will be executed, but the value will not be shown in the command window. It is sometimes required because if I write down in this way, A equal to 2 without semicolon, then B equal to 3 without semicolon, that means workspace is lost. And write down B equal to 3 semicolon. So in this way, you can write down no space is required, no space is wasted, because I am not interested to know whether it is assigned or not. It is automatically assigned. So line by line, we can enter different codes here. Now, suppose A equal to 2. So A equal to 2 plus 7. Okay. A equal to this one. Why? I have used one percentage sign here. And then color is changed. And the 5 is already ignored at the time of calculation. This process is to make +5 comment. It will be used as a comment line. Okay. So you can paste one comment line here. That is ticket taken by batsman 1. Sorry, bowler 1. Bowler 1. Okay. So this is a comment, and that will explain the purpose of this variable. So whenever you will be writing down any program, at the right hand side of any line, use one percentage sign, and you can make any notes there. That will not be included by the main program to calculate anything. It will be ignored completely by the program, but you can understand, programmer can understand the meaning of that line. Okay, so it will be used as a notes. Then another character that you can use, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six, 7, 8, 9. Is it clear? What is the meaning of this one? Seven, sorry, 6, 7, 8. Only 3 dots. Okay, this is wrong. Only 3 dots you can do. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Why you can use this one? 3 dots. Where you can use this one?
For moving into the next line.
Yes. If the data is considerably long and you cannot accommodate the whole line in a single line, whole number or data set in a single line, then you can use triple dot after a space followed by triple dot, and then you can accommodate the rest part of the data at the next line. So it will be working fine. Okay. So this is plus semicolon. Sorry, this sign, and needless to say, equal sign is also a character, special character. Plus is also a special character. Minus is also a special character. It cannot be considered as a variable declaration purpose. This one, parenthesis, this comma, you cannot use this one for nomenclature purpose. Ampersand has this is a power sign, and sign, dollar sign. You cannot use this one. for nomenclature. They have their own purpose. Power. I mean, A is equal to 2 to the power 3, 8. This power sign cannot be used to construct any variable. You use here, yes, will not consider. I've already explained this thing. And another thing here, A is equal to 2, semicolon. B is equal to 3, semicolon. Find out A, find out B. Understand? As previously, I was declaring A equal to 2 in a single line. Then we are using another line to declare variable B. That is B equal to 3. But you can write down, declare all the variables in a same line separated by semicolon. This semicolon is also a special character and cannot be used to represent any variable. Okay. Suppose AC is equal to, I want to express one vector that will be evenly spaced. Any row vector that will be evenly spaced. So how to represent this one? Suppose the starting number will be 1 and difference between two consecutive number will be 2 and the last number will be 10. Okay. Here up to 9. 11 is an init type of chart. Here, there is a vector. Starting number is 1 and incremented by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So this is the colon sign and this is the use of this another special character here. You cannot use this one to declare any variable. Okay. Suppose x is equal to. Now we are interested to represent any matrix. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. This one. 7, 8, 9. Okay. So in this way we can represent any 3 cross 3 matrix or n cross n matrix also. You can represent. N means any dimension. It may be 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, anything. In this way you can explain. This is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. All separated by semicolon. Now, if I want to denote this one, only one element, first element, then how to represent this one? 1, 1 is the 1. 1, 3, what will be the result?
3.
1, 3. If it is 3, 1,
7.
7. So in this is the row and this is representing the column. This is row, third row, first column, 7. So this is the one way you can. Now similarly, this one is also a vector. So x of 3, 5, x of 6, x of 5. What will be x of 5? X of 5?
7.
X of 5, 7.
9.
9. X of 5, 9. And ninth element, fifth element, first element, second, third, fourth, fifth. So these are the elements. Okay. Another, we can also use another command, that is in this case size of x. What does it mean?
3 by 3 matrix.
3 by 3 matrix. Okay. 3 row, 3 columns. These are the size. And another fine numeral. If we use numeral x, what does it mean? What does it mean? Numeral x.
Number of elements in that
Number,
matrix.
number of elements in the matrix. And if we use it here, then very good. Number of elements, or length. Same thing. It will be. Okay, another nice thing was a x is given and y is equal to x dot x. What will be the value?
1 1 1 1 1.
Yes.
Unit matrix.
Right. Okay. If you write down ones 3, it will give you ones. Zeros 3. Zeros also give you something. Okay. So these are the different types of matrices. Is also another matrix. Magic tree. What is the meaning of this magic?
Sum of elements is same along rows and columns.
along rows and columns. And any other?
Diagonally also, sir.
Diagonally also. Here, only by column. These are 5. Okay. And more than 2 unit, 2, then it will be diagonally, row, by column, all are equal. So that is why these are magic. Okay, today is 7:56 already, and so many things I've already familiarized you, and we have already only worked today in the command window. So next day, I will show you some other operations or function of some other parts of the Matlab platform in my next class. And today I have already demonstrated different type of mathematical operations that we can perform in Matlab using only the Matlab command window. And next day we will learn how to write down script, how to open the script. That things we will learn just next class. And today I think there must be roll call. The one thing, please wait. There must be some. Okay, there will be no attendance, so you may leave now. So another thing, next class, everyone should be present from the very beginning of the class, because if you come late, it will be very much difficult to follow the next part of the class. If you come 20 minutes or 30 minutes late, already so many things is already over, then the next 30 minutes will be very boring. So I will request you to try to connect at the right time. Okay. So good night to all of you.
Good night, sir.
Good night. And if you have anything to inform me, you may inform me. Or otherwise, you may leave. Thank you.